It is. What does D come to both hands?
You're going for a 21-year-old male that's fallen 40 foot, 40 foot, over. Yeah, Roger, I received 40 foot fall, 21-year-old, 237816, hello?
But no problems, we're on his way, Chuck. Cheers, love, bye.
Do you normally feel well, no asthma, no diabetes, epilepsy? No problems with your heart?
ECG looks a little bit dodgy at the moment, not 100% sure what it is. Okay, but we'll just err on the side of caution. It's just going to mean a trip down to LGR. Okay, let's pop that up there for us. Is it here?
No, it's probably one.
Just pop it up to where you think. Oh, okay. Let's pop another one.
God, I'm water.
Yeah, we'll try one of these.
It's going to need to be the secondary site.
What time do they open?
8 o'clock. Or we're best with a crew.
I'll have a crew.
Yeah.
Please, mate.
Okay.
Alright, mate. Just pop you on the floor. Yeah, you do. That's it. Get on the floor. In the yeah, get him on the floor. Come down here, mate. Yeah, we'll do that. Can you ring 999 and get us a crew, please?
Hello, can I have an ambulance please at Leeds Bradford Airport, the air ambulance base please?
Connect electrodes.
Alright, Chris, go on, kid. Go on, Chris.
Chris?
You with us, mate?
Chris?
Chris, it's James, you're at work. It's just oxygen, it's just James, you're at work. Just relax. Hey, Chris.
Alright, mate, you're okay, you're at work before.
What's
Alright,
hurting?
okay.
Your chest.
Chris.
I'm just giving
Alright,
you some
mate.
morphine now, Chris. It should take the pain off.
They don't open till 8 o'clock in the morning. We're on the early shift today at 7. It's now 7:35, so we may just get lucky, but we'll have to wait and see. Got an ambulance on the way, and we'll decide then what's the best thing to do with Chris. So he's back with us now, so thank God for that.
Your chest. I'm just giving you some morphine now, Chris. It should take the pain off in a second.
Alright, buddy. Okay. Alright, Chris.
Scare me shit.
Okay, should we just reanalyse everything then?
We're back in
Back in normal sinus rhythm, okay? He's got a line in. He's had no adrenaline. He's had aspirin.
The CPR and
He has
two
had
shots.
buckle and CPR and shocks.
Yeah, 2 shots. 2 shots. Still BF, mate.
Scared yourself? My word.
Alright, buddy. Okay.
Chris,
Had to shock him twice, trying to get the heart back into a normal rhythm, and we've worked on him with some CPR as well, and managed to get him get some output. And we're just trying to stabilise him now to get him down to the LGI so that we can get some of the cardiac team to look after him from there. All right, Chris. All right, mate. You're okay. You're at work.
What's
All right.
hurting?
Okay.
I never got the aircraft out so fast. Hopefully we can use it. If we can't, it's going to be a real pain for us.
All right. Cheers. Thanks, bye. Cruise here. Oh, absolutely dreadful for us, obviously, with it being one of our own, and just took us on the hop a little bit there. Obviously, we just didn't expect him to come in like that, but that's what we're trained for, and we've managed to get him back. Hiya, mate. Hiya. Just need trolley off.
Yeah.
All right. We're just debating whether to go by air or not. Because
Is it cardiac arrest?
He's had an arrest, yeah.
Is he
Yeah,
at
we've
work?
got output, yeah. Yeah, he's had he's been shot twice. Come in with chest pain. Looks really pale, clammy. He's he went off on us after about 10 minutes.
Right.
And we've shocked him twice. He's had CPR. We've got him back at the moment. He's been speaking to us.
Right.
So we're going to go on to trolley initially. If we can get hold of the LGI, we'll just trolley him to aircraft and take him. Okay?
What we're going to do, lads, is if we could just hang on 2 minutes. We're just sorting the helipad out. Yeah, I think so. It was just with a couple of extra pairs of vans. We didn't know where we were up to at that stage. Bad day at the office. Not even had a cup of coffee yet, have we? Ready? Hot 3, 1, 2, 3, lift.
Oh my God.
Alright. Yeah, Chris just gave me the shock of my life, I think.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 and lift.
Keep going, lads, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Beautiful. Right there.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah, bud. Okay. Try not to do anything stupid like that in the flight on the way down for me, because me and you are barely talking as it is at the moment. Alright.
The plan is that Chris is going down to the LGI, down to the CCU down there to be assessed by the cardiology team. Trying to open the coronary artery that's blocked.
Three, 1, 2, 3 and lift.
Chris, we'll make sure Dave comes to visit you every chance he gets.
All right, buddy. All right, mate. We're just coming into coronary care, okay?
Two shocks, 200 and 300, back into a sinus rhythm. Systolic's been initially hypotensive at 70, 500 fluid challenge, which just brought him up to a systolic at 118.
All right, buddy.
Pain score is still about a 7. No air under there anymore.
We've come into coronary care at the LGI. Obviously, this is what they specialise in here, so he's in the best place that he can be. We're just getting him transferred over to the team here, and then obviously we'll leave him from here, but going on from here they'll probably take him to the cath lab and just have a look with the x-ray and see where the blockage is, and they'll determine where they go from there. Okay, there we are.
It's our bread and butter. We deal with that every day of the week, but it's very, very different when you're having to do it for someone you genuinely care about. You know, he's a good lad, he's one of our own, so you don't want to see harm come to anyone.
I was scared. I'll tell you, I was scared. Because at one stage my hands they were just like that. And I just couldn't open them or move them. And the pins and needles was horrendous. I then realised that there was something going on. because I knew this wasn't any type of indigestion, because it was going down my legs as well, pins and needles down my leg. And it's not a thing I would like to experience again. I wouldn't like anybody to experience it again. All the guys at work have turned around and said if there's anything they can do to let them know, which is brilliant, So just wait and see how I get on. But I'm missing it already.
Get him on the floor. 1, 2, 3.
Leave Bradford Airport, the air ambulance base, please.
I don't know if I was getting up or if they were picking me up, and then I don't remember anything after that until I'm on the floor by the table. There's Lee and James looking over me. I don't know where Cobby was at the time. Then 2 other paramedics. Hi mate.
Matey,
Hi,
all right?
Not too bad.
You
Just be careful.
All right, no, brilliant.
I'm fine. Still a bit sore.
Is it? Can't understand why.
That bit there.
Well, we just got rid of it short, man.
Oh, give up. Don't make me laugh. It hurts. Knowing that it was James's official last day, I wanted to come up and see him before he went back out on the road just to say thank you. I mean, I didn't know Lee was going to be here. He kept that a secret from me. But no, I just basically wanted to see James before he went off duty because I knew I'd see Lee another day. But to see them both in the same day is great, and just to say my thank you to them. I would much rather be back at work doing my job than be sat at home not doing anything.